Hey everybody, Dan from Casey and the Overlanders. I'm here with Kate. This is a quick video on some of the grasslands and Badlands National Park area of South Dakota.
We've been coming to this spot for over 10 years, and every time we come here, we are just taken back by its beauty, the sunsets, the landscape.
Some of the best sunsets I think we've ever had at a campsite. It is very remote, absolutely gorgeous, with just a wonderful view of the Badlands National Park and of the surrounding grasslands. Now the roads in and out of a lot of these grassland areas, you do need a high clearance vehicle. If it's dry, you can totally get by with two-wheel drive. However, if you get any kind of rain or inclement weather, four-wheel drive is definitely recommended. And as you can see, a lot of these roads get off camber and they are a little bit rutted.
Again, the views from up here are just incredible. I was actually driving this little leg of the way, a little nervous through that skinny passage, but again, incredible. We're also lucky to see this beautiful, very stoic bighorn sheep too.
All right, so after leaving our awesome spot in the grasslands, I think we're headed to Hot Springs, but we saw some ranchers break down here, and being good Samaritans and believing in good karma, we're hoping that the tools we have for our Ford will help the tools on these two guys. They have the same truck. There's this cute little kid up on the top there, but we're on a highway. It's just a little sketchy, but we hope we can help these guys out. Ooh, that tire is busted. Look at that tire.
So there's something we call Murphy's Law that they'll be able to get all but one. Exactly. What we're going to do is we're going to take this tire off. We're going to take our trailer spare, which is our stock tire. It's a little bit bigger than this, but hopefully the bolt pattern matches up. We can get this high enough off the ground. And then we'll put our tire on and we'll get him home. And then we'll just jack her up and pull our tire off, and he can use another vehicle to go get another tire.
All right, so this is Jet. He's the young man that's helping your dad and your grandpa. Your friend? Oh, he pulled up too. So everyone's helping Jet and his family. We noticed this super cool belt buckle Jet has. You want to tell us about it? It is so cool.
I won this, and this here, it's capital of South Dakota. And I won it in the team roping, and it's just special to me.
Yeah.
I don't know, and I thank all of that practice to my dad and my brother and everybody else that's helped me with it.
Nice. And tell me what are the names of your horses you use?
Lobo, Reno, and Bullet.
Nice. And how long have you been doing the rodeo circuit?
Probably for about 5 years.
And
5, 6 years.
did you learn to walk or ride a horse first?
I think both. I think it was both. I can't remember. I
Awesome.
think it was about both.
Super cool.
And that's, yeah.
Awesome. So Dan is backing up to swap out tires, and we're going to do something with our outboard air as well. So part of our recovery gear are these airbags, which has lifted this guy's truck up and has helped us tremendously change his tire out.
Well, I'm looking. It ain't gonna go over and pop. I mean, it's hitting on that bolt on the other side.
Oh, you want to let spare out?
I think so.
Okay, so there's a valve on there.
Hey Dan, should I be nervous you found another snuggle partner?
I'm sorry, what?
Should I be nervous you found another person to snuggle with?
Whatever it is, I'm sure it's funny. Bring that back.
There's that airbag. It's nice to be able to use our recovery gear. So airbags came in handy, huh?
There it is.
There we go, we got it
All
out.
right.
Woohoo!
Well, that's part of the way.
Yes.
It's a third.
Third of the way there.
Partly there.
There you go. No anything on top.
Hey, Roman, how you doing?
Okay, Sydney, steer the way, honey. Okay, there they go.
Part of the reason our tire blew up was because we didn't have enough air in it. It's been low on air for a while now. So it does have to be back
That's the same bolt pattern?
I believe so.
All right.
Same bolt pattern.
You can go up a little bit more or what? Yeah, you're within it. I'll tell you what, I've had some good people stop and help me along the way in my travels. Look at that.
There we go.
Why did I tell you that? Your truck looks good on a nice dirty car.
That's great.
Oh, you're spare, huh? That works, right? Yeah. Thanks for the high lift.
Is that the first time you used it, Dan?
Yep. I have another one that we hauled around with the old Vanosaurus for a while. That's the first time I've used that one. That thing goes in our the old Willys.
Uh-huh.
I just happened to see that one first.
So there's your handy inflator. Nice.
ARB inflator.
What kind of airbag is that, Dan?
The company is called Bushwhacker.
Unless I did that, it'll be
Oh, no, excuse me. Bushranger.
Bushranger. Not the
See, ask- do it
Bushwhackers.
again. Well, Bushwhacker's another company.
I thought there were some WWF wrestlers back in the day. The Bushwhackers.
Bushranger. I'm sorry.
Alright, so now we're getting their spare tire out from underneath their truck, switching things out again. But as Dan said, it's a little easier since we're not on a highway getting buzzed by cars and trucks going 70 miles per hour. Oh, look at that, Sydney.
While Jet's dad and I were changing the tire, our children had an opportunity to see what life was like on a working ranch.
And it was a spectacular experience for all of us. Thank you, Jet and his family.
Is Bourbon the kind of crazy one?
Yeah. Well, he gets a little crazy once in a while, but Bourbon's kind of the fast one.
How old is Bourbon?
10.
He seems little.
He's just a small horse or a big pony.
Huh.
What about that little tiny one?
That's me.
How old? Wait.
6.
Cute.
I'm 6 years old too.
Yeah, that's as big as mine's gonna get. But yeah, this is Bourbon.
Hank is the love bug, huh? Aww.
Thanks, wagging the tail.
Not being bad, it hurt me or hurt somebody else.
That was smart.
There's a cow.
Like tracking around the round pen like this.